As an administrator, it's important to be able to generate user activity reports to get a high-level perspective on users' time spent in Buzz. To run user activity reports, open the menu and click Reports. You have several report options: Gradebook, Student, Mastery, User Activity, Test Analytics, and Other. Under the Gradebook, you can choose Course Activity Summary, which summarizes the grade information, time spent, and other data by course activity. Period and Category Summary summarizes the grade information by time spent and other data by period and category. I can choose one or the other and click Next. You would then need to either enter the course or browse for the course. Click Next. Here, you filter data. Here you can include to choose past enrollments. You can get all the data, or you can choose certain filters, such as time spent per activity, score per activity, or failed and unsubmitted per activity. I'm going to choose all data. Then you can export to a CSV file. It'll quickly generate the report and download in your browser. You then would be able to open that in software that supports CSV. In the student reports, you can run a report by student performance by course, or by teacher, or a single student performance. I'm going to choose student performance by course and click Next. I again enter the course and click Next. I could then choose a date that I want to filter it back to. I can choose multiple dates if I want as well. I again can then filter data, include past enrollments, choose filters, or get all data, and click Next. Under Mastery, I can run reports by Mastery by date range or all Mastery data. You then enter the course, click Next. Again, choose your data and click Next. Under User Activity, I can choose to run a report by user login, logout times, user enrollment activity, domain user activity, or domain user inactivity. Each one of these may have different data that you can filter. Because this is a user activity, you would then choose the user, or browse the enrollments from this course. In this filtered data, you could include past enrollments or exclude overlapping time. Other allows you to run a report based on course enrollment, course, domain activity by persona, which are the roles, domain activity by persona details, domain enrollment export, or domain hierarchy. Each one of these will open up more data that you can filter. It's important to know that these are available to you.